Hey guys, and welcome back to a new update video. So I have great news for you. Besides of Cyber Sale for Aiomatic, the plugin was also updated and it is now able to add multiple bots in the same chat. So you heard this right. As you can see, I am chatting here with Maya, who is a little girl, and I can add also John to the chat. So let me show you how this will work, and this will be able to be accessed in the latest update for Aiomatic. So let me show you an example chat. Hi, how old are you? So if you don't do anything, then the default bot will reply in the chatbot. So she says that I'm 7 years old. That's my favorite number. What about you? Okay, so now we can ask John something. So let's see. What is your profession? So John here is a programmer, but he is pre-programmed to act like a programmer. He is a bot pre-programmed with some prompts to act like a programmer, and we can ask him if we click on his name, and he will be tagged in the conversation. So after he is tagged, if we hit enter, not Maya will respond anymore, but John. I'm a computer programmer. I love programming and discussing yada yada. Okay, so you can also use John as the default bot in the conversation if you click the star button in the front of his name. And now if you don't tag John in the conversation, he will still respond instead of Maya. So let me think about something. Do you know PHP? And we did not tag John now, but he's the one who replied. And if we unselect this, do you like playing the piano? And now Maya will respond because she is the default bot. She is acting like a little girl, and John is acting like a computer programmer. Okay, so let me show you also that the multi-bot tab was introduced in the AI chatbot menu, and here you will be able to select the personas and assistants that you created. So here you will be able to select which personas and which assistants you want to add to the conversation. Hit save. And here they are. All will be able to be added to the conversation, and the people simply ask them stuff if they click their name, and their tag will be added in the conversation, or if they start their name. And as you can see, you can select a chatbot which will be used by default, a bot will be which will be used by default for the conversation. If no bot is selected, the default bot from the top will be used. Also, you can tag their names. If you tag multiple bots at the moment, only a single one, the first one, will respond, but I might do an update to allow multiple replies also in the future. Okay, so now let me show you how to add these characters here. So the first part, if you want to use an AI model for these bots, you can add them in the bot persona manager. So you will be able to add your characters with names, roles, avatars, and if we edit this, for example, we can edit John's character, and after this is loaded, we can add John's prompt here. This is John's default prompt and knowledge. You can add his knowledge here. Persona first sentence. You can select a model which will be used for this persona, persona's role, a featured image which will be the persona's avatar, and you can edit and add new personas here. Or if you don't want to use an AI model, but instead you want to use an AI assistant, you can use this in the AI assistants menu, and you can similarly manage AI assistants from here, and we can edit this assistant name, model. We can also select a model, temperature, topic, description, context, first message, and you can also enable file search and code interpreter for this and all these advanced functionalities. So assistants are a bit more advanced than basic models, as they act like they will provide more functionality for you than models. But you can also use models very well with the persona manager. So keep in mind, you can use persona manager if you want to use AI models, and AI assistant manager if you want to use AI assistants. And here in the bot selector, you can set up the avatar, the name, and the prompt of the default bot, which will be asked by default by users, and she or he will be displayed on the top of the chatbot. So here it is. You can also use this to select multiple chatbots. I selected now all, so all personas and assistants that I have created are now available also in the chatbot. All will be able to be asked stuff, and they will be able to talk to the users. Okay, so to clear this selection, I have this little button here. If you disable all, then the default bot will be able to be asked once again as the plugin's previous functionality worked. Okay, so you can create also custom chatbots with this feature. All you have to do is in the custom chatbot builder, scroll down, and in the add additional bots to the conversation, holding down your control key on your keyboard, you can select and deselect multiple personas and assistants, which will be also added to the conversation, similarly like I showed before. To use this custom chatbot, copy this custom shortcode that was created for you after you configured the chatbot settings, and you will be able to use this chatbot anywhere on pages or anywhere on your site. So this new parameter was added, additional bots. This is a shortcode parameter, and here you will be able to define the IDs of the assistants or the personas which you want to use in this chatbot. Okay, so this is the new functionality of Aimogen. You will be able to use multiple bots in the single chat, and this is a great new feature as it will open up new possibilities for you to embed this chatbot on your site and use it without anymore the restriction of a single bot in a single chat. You can add multiple bots in a single chat, and yeah, allow users to benefit of this by asking different bots. They can have different knowledge and knowledge sets, and they will be able to respond in different kinds, in even different languages to users. So go ahead and check this new functionality. Aimogen is linked in this video description. Go and check it. It is also in the cyber sale discount right now. It is a limited period. The Black Friday cyber sale is live now. Go guys and check this plugin. So if you have ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. It's really appreciated. I reply to your comments each day, and I also note your ideas. And yeah, if you have anything to say, the commenting section is open for you. Also, like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. I will be publishing more videos soon with more updates and new functionality. Yeah, this is all for today. I go to work on Aimogen once again. Over and out. Bye bye.